Hey my melodrama angels, welcome back to my channel Melodrama by Tanya. The DIY homemade solution that I'm going to do today are literally just 3 ingredients that you need to create this DIY hand sanitizer. In today's time, with the coronavirus going on, with so many other diseases, so many other flus in the air, we need to protect ourselves, and what better than knowing exactly that you're creating something on your own without any chemicals, and it is absolutely safe and good for you as well as everybody in your family. A few reasons why I decided to actually go ahead and create this homemade hand sanitizer was because really no hand sanitizer available, and the ones that were available were so expensive. Like a hand sanitizer small bottle usually costs you about under £1, but now they are literally costing you about 10 to 15 pounds, which is absolutely ridiculous. If there was anything available, it was all in the market as a fake. And most of all, like the frequent use of a hand sanitizer, because if you have one in your house, you will use it at least 2 to 3 to 4 times in a day, and it will cause a lot of dryness because of the rubbing and the chemicals already there. So without much delay, let's get started, and I hope you enjoy this video of how to create your own hand sanitizer. I mix all the ingredients in a small bowl and mix them well together with a spoon, add some essential oils and transfer it to a little spray bottle. So hey guys, my hand sanitizer is ready, and like I said, you can put it in any squeezy bottle. Oh, you can see the texture of the hand sanitizer that I've made, and it's literally like the ones you get in the market, and the smell's absolutely amazing because of the essential oils that we've added into it, and the aloe vera helps your hands from not drying at all. This is something that you can use all over the house, your family, friends, whoever you want to make it to during this tough time. Go ahead, make your bottle and give it to them. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and leave me a comment below on anything else that you would like to watch, and please do share this video with your friends.